Alright, I'm going to start another project. This is going to be lox and, not bagel, but it'll be like lox and an avocado bun. Something I'm going to be doing for the first time. So, right now I'm going to cut up all of these. That's going to be the first step.
Some ice.
Cut up all the, and put them in here in the bowl. And then I'll show you what the next step will be. Alright, now that got all the avocado in the bowl, go ahead and give it a good mash. Start mashing the shit out of it. Smash that shit up.
Him like coming in and we both.
Alright guys, we're gonna get a little bit of garlic salt in here.
Really a lot of space
Put a little bit of garlic salt.
Double spices.
Everything bagel. Everything bagel. A little bit of butter. And pepper jack cheese. And then of course eggs, but I'll put in one by one here. Get your way. Alright, I opened up some of this pepper jack. And I'm going to go ahead and just put that in here. I put a good amount in here. Pepper jack cheese. It's going to be kind of like what helps bind everything together. I'm going to let me take about 4 eggs. I'll put that here for now. 4 eggs, and then we'll let me get the eggs and also put that in here. Okay, I got the eggs cracked in here, and I'm going to go ahead and put that all in here, and that's going to help bind it. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of butter. I'll take about half a stick of butter, put it in the microwave for just to melt it. Okay, we'll do that next. Probably like 20 seconds, something small. Okay, 1 second. All right, and we should be, good little nice melt. We're gonna pour that in there next. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna put a little bit of just like garlic salt. Let's pour a good amount of garlic salt. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna put everything bagel. This stuff's good. Just put a good amount in there. All right, now I'm gonna stir it up. So this might take me a second because this needs to be stirred up and mixed well. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then we're gonna end it with a little bit of flour, which that'll be the next step. So here we go. I'm gonna stir it up. All right, guys. I did a good mix here. As you can see, the consistency is really good. It's all smashed up, very fine. And we're gonna go ahead now and put a little bit of flour in here. This will harden as it cooks inside the oven. So we'll put some flour in there, and then we'll mix this up a little bit. Let me turn this phone off because it's hard to mix. Alright, so this is looking solid, guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and add more of this, just kind of give it a little bit more of a sesame seed. There we go. Very delicious. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put this on a pan, on a cooking sheet here, and I'll show you how I do it. Alright, so I went ahead and I kind of put them like, looks like patties, and I'm just gonna finish it off with just another layer of sesame for look. Let's kind of do a little bit on all of these here. There we go, there we go, there we go. So that's gonna look really good. There we go. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. I don't know, I did 425, and we're gonna cook these until they harden up. All right, so now I'm right behind you. I'm gonna go ahead and just open here and flip these guys.
I didn't mean to grab your ass. Sorry about that.
Yeah, you gotta get the other side, yeah.
I meant it, but I didn't.
You got the videos going? It's like, what kind of
No, you gotta.
partners are Are they cousins?
I didn't mean to.
Really
That's incest.
Are they really cousins?
See, they actually turn like
Generation of that
pancakes.
bad boy.
this is like turning into a pancake at this point. Oh crap! That one I think
Oh, dang.
I gotta fix.
Oh shit, he is in the video.
All right, going back to my lox and avocado bun. Basically, I used Philadelphia spicy jalapeno cream cheese. I got dill right here, fresh
My
dill.
brother.
I got smoked salmon from Costco. Smoked salmon from Costco.
Also, they have.
Seaweed, basically. Where's that nori? Ah, here we go. The nori seaweed sheets and red onion. Let me get red onion. Thank you. And then also some capers. I put it together, and basically, this is what it looks like. The bun is very kind of pancakey. I put a layer of seaweed here. Oh, and I also put what else did I put?
Like my magnet?
Furikake, nori, call it furikake. So yeah, I put the salmon in there, the cream cheese on the bottom, the capers. You can see the capers, the dill, and then a little bit of and then I also put a little bit of soy sauce on there,
I would like to make avocado.
and then I cut it in half, and this is what it looks like. Very, very good. Very healthy too. Good for keto. So this is the end result. Look at that thickness. Delicious. Thanks for watching, guys.